Creating a landing page from an email sounds complicated, right? But what if I told you that it takes just one click? With Beefree, you can instantly turn your email design into a fully responsive landing page. No extra work, no extra headaches. Just a seamless on-brand experience that saves you a ton of time when building out your next campaign. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can pick an email design from Beefree's template catalog. And then I'm going to show you with just one click how we can convert it into a fully optimized landing page. Finally, we'll fine-tune that landing page, adjusting the layout, refining the content, and ensuring our design looks ready to send. Okay, step one, starting with our email. Okay, so first, we need to find an email we want to convert to a landing page, and what better way to do so than to pick a template from Beefree's template catalog. From the Projects tab, we can hit Create New, and then create a new email. Now inside the template catalog, let's type webinar in the search box, and then we can find an email we like. This one here looks great. To open this design in the Beefree Builder, we can click Start Designing. Now comes the fun part. Normally, we'd have to recreate this entire design from scratch for a landing page, but not today. Step 2. To turn this email into a landing page, go to the Projects tab, hover over the email, and click View Details. Then scroll to the bottom and click Generate Page. And in seconds, our email transforms into a fully responsive landing page, same branding, same layout, same visual impact. It's that simple. Now we'll fine-tune a few things to ensure our landing page is fully optimized. First, don't forget that you have a lot more space when working on a landing page. So head to the Settings tab and see what width works best for your design. Let's go with this, so around 1250 pixels. All right, next up, let's ditch anything we don't need. This unsubscribe link, for example, gone. We're not sending an email here. Honestly, most of this footer stuff is just taking up space as well on a landing page, so we can delete that and be done with it. To make sure our landing page looks good on mobile, let's hop into mobile design mode by clicking on this little phone icon. From here, it's easy to tweak your text, images, and buttons so everything's lined up nicely and feels great to tap or scroll through on a phone. And finally, and this is something that is easy to miss, is adding a favicon to our page. To do so, we just need to head to Settings and then find Add Favicon. And just like that, we've added one to our landing page. And that's it. With one click, your email becomes a landing page, saving you time and effort while keeping your brand consistent. Give it a try and be free, and see how easy it is to repurpose your designs. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.